In this quick guide, we're going to show you how you can update your Snapchat profile picture. If this video helps you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials. First things first, go ahead and open up Snapchat and then tap on the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your Snapchat home screen. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and tap on that gear icon in the top right to access your settings. Scroll down on the settings until you find the Bitmoji option and go ahead and click on it. From here, you'll have a few different options. You can choose a selfie, edit your Bitmoji, or change your outfit. Now, choosing the selfie is going to let you change your Bitmoji's profile photos, and editing your Bitmoji is going to customize your look or use the camera to update it. So go ahead and choose whatever option you would like. In this case, we're going to do the selfie, and we're going to change it to something like this. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Have a great day.